is German and is doing in Romania. We are currently med students here. And if you also can't get a place in your home country because your grades are not good enough, just go on our website, book your free consultation call, and we will get you your place. I want to know how many languages do you speak?
Let me count it. English, French, and a little bit of Russian.
Tu as appris le français où?
À l'école.
How many languages do you speak?
Just one.
Which one?
Romanian language.
And English?
A little bit.
Yeah, no, you speak English. They count. How many languages do you speak?
1.5. English and French, but French not so much.
Do you speak Romanian as well?
Yeah, in Romanian.
Could you say something cool in French?
J'aime le croissant.
How many languages do you speak?
Two languages. Romanian and a little bit of English.
How many languages do you speak?
Italian, English, and a little of French.
Could you say something really cool in Italian for us?
Bella vita.
How many languages do you guys speak?
Two languages, English and German.
Romanian.
Ah, yes, of course.
I just want to know how many languages you guys speak.
English and Romanian.
And you?
The same.
How many languages do you guys speak?
Two. English and Romanian.
How many languages do you speak?
Apart from English, a bit of Spanish, but not that much, but I can just...
Could you say something really cool in Spanish?
Una cerveza con limón.
Okay, cool. Fantastic. How many languages do you speak?
Italian and English.
But you're from Romania?
Yes.
So you speak three?
Yes.
How many languages do you speak?
I think two.
Could you name them?
Français, English. Merci beaucoup pour être ici, dans notre pays. Bonne journée.
For me, it's English
Uh-huh.
and a little bit of German.
Could you say something really cool in German?
Ich bin Andrea.
How many languages?